G'day guys, it's my 11th week update. The baby is now the size of a fig. So if you watch my 10-week update, you know, this week I was going to the doctor. So when I went to the doctor, it was the same one I had with my first pregnancy. She did a blood slip and she asked for multiple different bloods. So your standard kind of pregnancy one, to liver function, to hemoglobin. By the time I actually got the bloods taken, they took 6 vials of blood. So I was kind of thinking, I hope this is all required. Also got a jar to take a urine sample. When I was there, she took my blood pressure and it was 125. So that was all good. And she also was like, do you want your ultrasound slip while you're here before having the confirmation that you're pregnant? Like I said, I know I'm pregnant, so she gave me the ultrasound slip so then I could try and organise that. The one she gave me is actually for a private radiography centre, so I wanted to actually go through the hospital, so go through the public hospital. Last pregnancy they had trouble matching it up because it's a different computer system, so I just wanted it all to be on the same system this time, not some on a private system and some on the public hospital system. So I wanted to get into the public hospital. So when I got home, I called up the public hospital. Even though I had a slip for the private one, they said, yeah, that's fine, there'll be a bit of a wait, because I said it's my early dating scan. And then I mentioned that I was nearly 12 weeks and she thought, oh, maybe we could get you in for the nuchal translucency scan, but I've only got a 30-minute appointment and that'll take 45 minutes. And I said, look, that's okay. Can I please have that one? And it's actually next Friday, so it's only 10 days away. So it's not long to wait at all. So that's something I'm really grateful for this week, that I was able to get the ultrasound there and not have to go privately. This week, Dave and I went to my parents' place, and so on the Saturday, we went to my brother's house and it was time to tell them that we were pregnant. So what I did is I grabbed one of Sophie's nappies and I wrote on it with a texter, new baby due May. I gave it to Sophie to give to my brother, and it was actually quite funny because he didn't have his glasses on. So he's like, why is Sophie giving me a nappy? Like, what's all this about? And then he turned it over and he read, new baby due May. And mum and dad were there and they were all really excited. So that was really fun, and mum wanted to start sharing it with her friends and family straight away. As you can tell, I've got a haircut. It feels so fresh and lighter, and I'm really loving it, and it's certainly easy to do. This week's been tricky, so I've mentioned that I've had that right glute pain. That has actually got worse. I don't think it's just glute pain anymore. When I was at my parents' place, I was lying on the floor doing some stretches, and then after that I went to sit up and I was like, ah, and I thought my leg was actually going to give way. I had difficulty weight bearing on that right leg, so I thought this is now more than just tight glute. Other times I'm noticing it is when I stand up from sitting, or if I'm lying and go to sit up. That's the time when I'm really feeling it. So if it keeps getting progressively worse, I'll have to look into that a little bit more. Cravings this week, I've just been wanting variety, something different than just plain water. So I've actually been using cranberry juice and just watering it down, just because I want to keep my fluids up. But at the same time, I wanted something different from water. Aversions, well, as you know, corn hasn't been something I've been able to have, and we have veggies that are frozen, you know, so they're frozen when they're fresh, but peas, I can't eat that anymore. So Sophie's eating my corn and peas now as well. I'm slightly concerned whether I'll be able to get the translucency scan when I go for the ultrasound. I'm not sure if they'll be able to do it in the same appointment. Like I said they couldn't, but you just never know. You never know what happens on the day. If we can't get it though, I'm not too worried, because it's not going to change anything for us. We'll just continue on with the pregnancy, whatever the outcome is. Okay guys, my bump is definitely getting bigger.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel.
So this next week, I'm planning to tell my friends, announce it on Instagram, all those kinds of things. Thanks heaps for watching guys. Bye.